Recently, I had a drain that was backing up. Zen came out and looked at it, and I was actually out of town at the time, so we handled that part over the phone. They came out the next day. They diagnosed it as being a rusted up drain line, so they replaced the drain lines with PVC, short and sweet, fixed in about 2.5 hours, and everything works perfectly now. They've been very prompt. When I've called in, we've been able to get someone out within a day or even the same day. The technicians that have come out have been very courteous, professional, just seem to be very good people. Everything will be beyond wow now. So.
Beyond wow plumbing. Beyond wow